just wanna ride with the wind blowing in my hair. Riding in a drop top, riding with a top drop. With the wind blowing in my hair. Riding in a top drop, riding with a top.
Hi everybody, so I have a couple of twists left. I wanted to come to you guys when I was mostly done, just because it's pretty repetitive and you don't need to see all that, you probably skip it anyway. So we're doing, like the title says, boho twists with French curls at the ends. So the curls throughout the twist are human hair curls that I got from the beauty supply store. You can use synthetic hair, or you can use like better quality curly pieces from like a better vendor than the beauty supply or whatever. It doesn't really matter. It's whatever, the technique is the same. So I had this mirror here. I'm not really using it anymore. I use this to pre-part my hair. As you can see, my hair is pre-parted in like the curved parts, more like free-form parting. I think it looks better with twists rather than the box parts, but do what you do. So I'm just going to show you how I'm doing this. So this is already a half of one that I had separated already. And this is a full one right here. Still has the curl at the end. So what you do is just separate the curl at the end of each, and then you split it in half and then fold it like this. It gives a little bit extra length, so we'll set that aside for now. Each of the twists have one piece of the French curl hair. So I'll take the French curl piece. This is the top of it. Cut it in half, like so. You can just add it how it is to the twist, but I like to do this and just put it more towards the end, and then make it uneven for each half where I cut it, just by pulling on it a little bit. You really don't need to do a lot. So each part where I cut it is going to be in the middle. So like they're short right here. The curls that aren't cut are gonna be the ones that's hanging on the end. And we'll set this aside.
Okay, so this is how you separate the curly pieces. With the wefted hair, you just cut off the weft, and with wefted hair, it has those short hairs at the front, so you just want to go ahead and smooth those out, and then spread the hair out a little bit, smooth it again just to get rid of any loose hairs, and do that to both pieces or however many pieces you're using. Take the shining gem, add it to the front just so it's easier to grip and you don't have loose hairs all over the place. For this style, you'll also need a flat iron to do the sealing of the twist at the end. First thing you want to do is take your pre-parted section and smooth the roots with a little bit of gel. I'm using Shine & Gem, but you can use whatever you prefer. Take the hair that we separated out earlier so you can begin the twist with the braid. You can do the twist with just the twist, but it didn't really work out for me, so I'm doing it with the braid. So I like to braid it down until I feel comfortable enough and secure enough to start the twist. It was probably about maybe 3 or 4 times. Take your duck clip and secure the roots so that your hair isn't twisting as you twist. So this is how I like to twist. If you have natural hair and you've done any twist outs, it's pretty much the same thing. So adding in the curly hair is really simple. I just showed you there. I like to twist down about 5 times before I separate the curl out with another clip to get it up out of the way. And then you will just continue twisting. So since this is the first piece that we added, you want to twist down until like right before you feel it getting thinner. And then that's when you want to add the half piece as well, just to keep the hair consistent, as consistent as possible. And then as you continue, you want to just determine where you want to add the next curly piece and add the piece again, twisting down about 5 times before separating out the curl. So before getting to the end, or as you're getting to the end, you want to do the same. Before it gets too thin, that's where you take your French curl hair and twist it in as well. And you want to keep twisting until you have a little bit of the Afro twist hair left, and then we're going to wrap that hair around the end just to seal the ends, and then we'll take the flat iron and seal it in with the heat. Here I'm showing I have a little bit of the French curl hair in. You can just trim that off and then proceed to wrapping as you see me doing here. You want to keep a good grip on it so that the hair doesn't unravel before you tap it with the flat iron. And the twist is unraveling, as you can see, or untwisting, and that's what you want to use to help you seal the ends. So for the next few twists, I will just be quiet and let you guys watch so you can see what I'm doing, but we're going to be repeating those same steps.
I just wanna ride with the wind blowing in my hair. I just wanna ride with the wind blowing in my hair. Riding in a drop top, riding with the top drop, with the wind blowing in my hair. Riding in a top drop, riding with the top drop, with the wind blowing in my hair. Watching city lights glow, watching all the cars go, with the wind blowing in my hair. Thinking about you lately, trying to drive you crazy, with the wind blowing in my hair. You left me yesterday and I'm still feeling all the pain. So then I smoke it all away and then I hop in my Mercedes. It takes some time to get over someone like you, but in my mind we're not through. I just wanna ride with the wind blowing in my hair. I just wanna ride with the wind blowing in my hair. Riding in a drop top, riding with the top dropped, with the wind blowing in my hair. Riding in a top drop, riding with the top dropped, with the wind blowing in my hair. Watching city lights glow, watching all the cars go, with the wind blowing in my hair. Thinking about you lately, trying to drive you crazy, with the wind blowing in my hair. Accelerating lights are blurring, driving crazy. Yesterday I was sad, but today I'm good. 'Cause riding high gets me over you. I just wanna ride with the wind blowing in my hair. I just wanna ride with the wind blowing in my hair. Riding in a drop top, riding with the top dropped, with the wind blowing in my hair. Riding in a top drop, riding with the top dropped, with the wind blowing in my hair. Watching city lights glow, watching all the cars go, with the wind blowing in my hair. Thinking about you lately, trying to drive you crazy, with the wind blowing in my hair. With the wind blowing in my hair. With the wind blowing in my hair. With the wind.
Okay, everybody, so this is the finished look. I need to get used to it though, just because obviously it's a new style for me and it's like the first day, but already I feel so happy. So right now I'm going to go in with a little bit of leave-in conditioner. You can take any leave-in conditioner. I'm gonna just put it through the hair, and then I'm gonna go in with a little bit of mousse. There's a lot of body. Put it through the hair, and then I'm gonna seal it with some Gotta Be gel. Just a tiny bit of this. I don't want the curls to be all super crunchy, but I don't want them to be all tangly either. And I think I've seen a couple of people do that on YouTube, so I'm gonna try that and see how it goes. But then I'll give you guys like a quick spin. Well, I'll do a quick spin first, and then I'll do another one after I do the hair. So this is what it looks like. From the back, from the side, it's super cute. I love it. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you try this style, let me know down in the comment section below, or tag me on Instagram. I'll leave my Instagram in the description section as well. And again, like I said, I did get the inspiration. I mean, obviously everybody and their mom's doing bohemian twists, but I got the inspiration for adding the French curls from a certain YouTuber. I still didn't look up her name, I should have did it. But it'll be on the screen again with her video down below, because she did that, and I looked at it like several times because I was inspired. But yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching. I hope to see you guys in the next one, and I'll catch you later. Bye.